Hey, what's up mga chong? Panibagong video na naman tayo. So this time we'll unbox a bike tool. So this is the bike hand torque wrench. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, the model of this is the YC617 2S. So yeah, tara, tingnan natin. So quick unboxing lang tayo. So this is a Taiwan tool. So Taiwan made siya. So based from the feedbacks in Lazada. So quality siya for its price. So if I'm not mistaken, I purchased this for about 2,500 pesos, and maganda naman yung feedback for a torque wrench. Okay, so based from its specs. So this is a torque wrench. So may adjustable siya para may clicking sound siya para indicating na reach na yung torque na sinet nyo. Okay. So I believe this has T20, T25, and meron ding 3mm hex case, 4mm, 5mm, 6mm, 8, 10mm, and meron ding T20, T25, T30 torques. Okay. So, yeah, tingnan natin. So, actually, medyo maliit lang siya. I thought sa picture kasi medyo malaki, pero yan, so ganito yung size niya. Okay, but yeah, it's quite heavy, and okay, tingnan natin. Okay, so ganito siya kalaki. So this is my palm. And yeah, maliit lang siya actually, pero it's quite hefty based from sa box pa lang. So tingnan natin. All right. So it's well packed, pero hindi naman siya masisira obviously. So yeah, this is the item itself. So tingnan natin. So maganda. So came with a plastic box. So ito parang aluminum yung lock niya, and so this is the torque wrench itself. Okay. So, ito yung adjustable torque wrench. So, yan. So, nasa set yung torque wrench nito, I believe. So, may lock siya. Not sure kung paano to. So ayan, so this is how you adjust yung torque niya kung let's say 6 Newton meter. Ayan, so pipihitin nyo lang. So let's say set natin ng 6 Newton meter. Ayan. So ayan, maganda siya. So ito yung mga kasama niyang. So meron siyang again 3mm hex, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, and sa Torx naman is meron siyang T25, T20, T25, and T30. So sample natin. Ayan, so ipipress mo pala to para pasok siya. So yeah, I guess that's about it, guys. So yan yung bike hand torque wrench. So I guess this is a good buy for about 2,500 pesos. So less than $50. So meron ka ng torque wrench na adjustable, and it came with a nice box. Okay, so that's about it, guys. So if you're just new to the channel, so nagawa tayo ng mga videos about bike related. So please comment below kung meron kang experience dito sa bike hand tool from Lazada. So this is a Taiwan made, and kung may marirecommend din kayong best buy or bang for the buck na torque wrench for bike, and just comment below, and please don't forget to like or subscribe to this channel to get updated for future videos that I make. Thank you.